What's going on, guys? Here at Mount Airy Casino and Resort, room 353. It's the room we were staying in. Now, keep in mind this room is lived in, but I did want to review it just to show y'all guys kind of what y'all be looking at. And you'll come here. Now we're walking in. First thing when you step in, on your left side, got the full body mirror. Check yourself, make sure you're looking right before you leave out of your room, before you enter. Now, on your right side, if you come in, the first thing you'll see is the bathroom. One sink. They do keep the toilet part separate from the shower, which I'm always a fan of. Only thing I would say is with the separated toilet and shower, from what I've noticed, it's not a lot of air circulation at some hotels, so you're not gonna, if you're using that bathroom here, you're gonna smell some stuff. But besides that, it is a nice bathroom. Here we got one shower, got the dual heads, one for that's movable, and another one that's standard, just stuck to the wall. So you got that option there. And it's a nice shower. Water gets really hot. It's good. So it's decent for what it is. Now, again, this is just a regular room. We were already staying in it. To your right side, after you get out the bathroom, you do have the closet. Standard closet. Bible, iron board, iron safe box, couple hangers, that for, I'm not sure what that's called. Comment down below, let me know what that is actually. But yeah, we had that. We were using that to actually dry the clothes from the pool that's here. Now, step in, you got this part here. Got the TV. I would say it's about a 52-inch maybe. It's a nice size TV. It's decent for what it is. Snacks. Obviously you have to pay for them. Waters and stuff. I'll let y'all look at the mini bar menu. Y'all can go ahead and pause there if you want to see the prices. But it is expensive. I do not like the mini bar. I don't really get stuff out of it unless I'm like, okay, I'm like just wanting something. Like, I have to really want it. But then you got your other stuff here. You got the mini bar, where in the mini bar we're having here, we got a bunch of Coke products, no, excuse me, Pepsi products, Heineken, and then you got your liquor here, in case you didn't bring anything with you, or you don't feel like leaving your room, you got it available. Then we got the window. We don't got much of a view, but you got the window, and then we got these two beds here. Now, the two beds here, they are soft. I will give you that much. They are some soft beds. Yep. And then we have my son here, but we also have the chair. So yeah, a couple other areas. We have the drawers, just in case you're extended stay. Got a couple drawers here. Well, two, and then they got this tray here. Usually this had the cups here. This had cups, and it also had here for the ice bucket. They had that there, so that's where you'll find that at. Obviously a phone, and yeah, not too much else. This is a standard room. It is nice though. Yeah, it is nice. All right, guys, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. It's your man Don, and I will see you on the next one. We are out of here.